So we just increase the size of the planets. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an animated solar system using HTML and CSS. We will have a realistic representation of the sun, planets, and even a starry background. First, let's set up our HTML and CSS code. Open your preferred text editor and create an HTML file. Inside it, define the structure of our solar system using HTML. We have a container for the solar system, the sun, and the planets. Now, let's style our solar system using CSS. We will define the size, colors, and animations for the sun, planets, and stars. You can customize these styles to your liking. To make our solar system more realistic, we have increased the size of the sun, added a shadow, and increased the size of the planets. We have also created a background of twinkling stars to simulate the night sky. To make our starry background more populated, you can add more stars. have shown you how to add 2 extra stars in this video. You can continue adding more stars by adjusting their positions and properties. We have created a visually appealing and realistic animated solar system using HTML and CSS. And there you have it. You can further customize this project by adding more planets or tweaking the animations. Thanks for watching and happy coding.